In a Microsoft Fabric workspace, you manage a lakehouse called LH1 and a warehouse called DW1. Within LH1, there exists a table named signdata. You are tasked with developing a stored procedure inside DW1 to remove duplicate entries from the signdata table. You need to identify the correct T-SQL components to complete the definition.
The definition contains two blanks. The first blank appears after the as keyword, and the second blank appears immediately after the select keyword. Consider the following options. Option A, begin. Option B, begin distributed transaction. Option C, set. Option D, distinct. Option E, group by. And option F, top 100% with ties, all parentheses.
At its core, this question tests your understanding of T-SQL stored procedure structure and data manipulation. You need to identify the specific keywords that correctly initialize a procedural block and enable the selection of unique rows from a source dataset to facilitate deduplication. I believe the correct answer for the first blank is option A, begin, and for the second blank is option D, distinct. To define the body of a stored procedure in T-SQL, the statement must begin with the begin keyword immediately following the as clause. This provides the necessary structure to encapsulate the logic within the procedure block.
Regarding the second blank, the distinct keyword is the standard T-SQL component used to return only unique rows from a query. By applying it after the select statement, you effectively filter out duplicate entries from your result set, which is the primary goal of your task. Using this approach is both clean and efficient for simple full-row deduplication.
Let us look at why other options are incorrect. Begin distributed transaction is designed for multi-database transactions and is not used for standard procedure blocks. Options like group by and top with ties are used for aggregation or specific windowing operations, which are not the primary standard way to achieve basic deduplication. As a tip, always remember that procedural structure and basic filtering keywords are foundational to effective T-SQL development.